sanay dito. Coach?
Pwede mo, ayan.
Uy, pwede. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Yang Giao, and best player of the game, Gian Mamuyak. Coach, nung previous conferences, hindi naging maganda yung simula nyo. This time, 5-1 kayo. What can you say about the impact of your new guys which help you with this strong start?
Obvious naman, no, na they've been really making big contributions, no. Our fortunes have changed, no, from the previous conferences. We were starting badly, pero ngayon, yun nga, kahit natalo kami sa San Miguel, okay pa rin naman sa amin. We think it's really a loss where you can learn a lot from. So, kaya naming tanggapin yung mga ganun talo. Dito naman sa laro na to, we know Phoenix is not playing up to their potential. They're struggling. I think their import got in a little late. Siguro kung mas maaga lang nakarating yung import nila, baka may chance pa silang mas malaki yung chance silang makapasok. But we really had a hard time containing the import in the first half, most especially. Talaga, prolific scorer talaga. So, we just try to work hard on making his shots difficult, just trying to make him less efficient. But we know he's going to score anyway. No? So, sinubukan naming contain yung mga locals nila. No? We feel na at some point he's gonna get tired. At some point, maybe his percentages are gonna go down. Yun nga, it happened in the fourth quarter. May siguro napagod na rin siya. Also, we kept the pace going. No, it's our natural pace, actually. No, all of the guys, they come off the bench. As soon as they're inside the court, they only go at one speed. So, tingin namin, nakakasabay yung Phoenix sa amin ng 3 quarters, pero nung fourth quarter na namin yung speed, yung pace ng game na ko-control na namin. So, I think that's a big part of it.
Thank you, Coach. Gian, you came off the bench today. You also had to guard at times yung import ng Phoenix. What can you say? How tough was it to defend him, and how were you able to execute well on both ends?
Well, nag-start siguro yan po sa mentality namin as a team kasi sabi nga ni Coach Cheng, kahit naman sino po ipasok sa amin, willing to do the job and ready naman po mag-step up. So, sa kataon, isa lang po ako dun sa mga yon na bumantay sa import ngayon, pero nagpalit-palitan naman po kami. Kami na Jonard and sina Kalen lahat. So, I think overall, nag-combine lang po yung mga efforts namin overall, and napagod na lang din sila sa dulo, kaya siguro ako lang po yung natapat, mas dadalian na lang yung buhay ko kasi pagod na nga po sila dahil pinagod na nilang lahat. So, ayun lang po.
Gian, napansin lang namin, hindi kayo nagkakamayan ni Richie. May ano ba yung kwento dun sa inyo?
Grabe naman po, hindi po. Magkaibigan po kami ni Richie. Ang ayaw ko lang po is masisigawan ako ni Coach Cheng. Kasi pag kinamayan ko po si Richie, masisigawan po ako. Pero off the court naman po, nagkakamayan naman po kami. Kasi pag kinamayan ko po si Richie, hindi naman po si Richie.
Away-away muna basta may laro.
Di naman po si
Pagtapos ng
Richie.
laro, okay na kami.
Hindi naman po si Richie mapapagalitan. Ako po. Pero magkaibigan po kami ni Richie.
We now open the floor for questions from from our friends from the press.
Hey Coach, yung too small mo kanina. Kay Perkins.
Yun. No?
Hindi, binabalik ko lang. Mahilig siya sa ganun eh. Kaya nung nakabawi, kami naman ang gumanon. No? Ano lang yan? Trash talk and trolling lang yun.
Coach, may konti kayong adversity with San Miguel and even yung sa Phoenix. Ano masabi mo na eventually na-overcome nyo in-game yung...
Actually, I look at it as as a good test for us, no. Kasi a lot of the games are going to go down in the last 3, 4, 5 minutes, no? And you have to know how to handle those last 5 minutes. Sa San Miguel, ganun din eh, no? Humabol lang kami last 3 or 4 minutes. So to me, I look at it as a good sign. You're able to catch up and make a game out of it. And then this game naman, we're able to put some distance between us and them in the last 3 or 4 minutes. I think that's a good sign of a team that's maturing. They're making the right decisions in the end game. They're executing. They're making stops. So, ayun, parang gusto ko nang maniwalang contender kami, pero hindi pa ako convinced masyado. Tingnan pa natin.
Coach, sabi mo nga ayaw po maniwala na contender kayo, but you play Ginebra on Friday. Do you think pag naka-isa-hold kayo sa Ginebra, maniniwala ka na? O...
Medyo maniniwala na ako pagka nadalawahan namin yung Ginebra. No? Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa ako masyadong kumbinsido. No?
Coach, gaw yung game na yun. Maganda rin yung panalo nyo sa Candon nun eh. Will you tell dun sa game sa Friday?
I'm sure they'll be much more prepared. Kasi first game nila yun eh. Nung kalaban kami, they came out of the off-season. I know they were busy. Coach Tim Cone was busy with Gilas. No, all the other players, a lot of them were recuperating from injuries. So the Ginebra we played in Candon is not the real Ginebra. So eto nga, gumaganda na yung laro nila. So on Friday, we will be playing a tougher team, a better conditioned team. And I'm sure ayaw nilang maulit yung nangyari sa Candon. No? Pero kami gusto naming maulit. No? So magandang laban yan.
Gian, na-mention mo kanina na your teammates, kumbaga, they make your life easier dun sa game na yun kanina. Also seeing the double-digit scores and the amount of locals na nag-step up, hindi nahirapan si Fuller, hindi ka rin nahirapan. So, gaano kalaki lang yung nakuha mo contributions, not just from, the rookies and Fuller, but everyone in Rain or Shine in general?
Well, sa system naman po namin ni Coach Cheng and sa culture namin as a team, sabi nga po niya dun sa isang interview, wala nag-iinggitan eh. And makikita niyo naman po, iba-iba yung katabi ni Coach Cheng dito pag after ng games. So, yun lang po yung talagang system namin kay Coach Cheng. Equal opportunities for everyone and lahat, any given night, kahit sino, pwedeng magka-good night. So, I think that makes our team also unpredictable and hard to prepare for. Kasi kahit starting lineup, hindi po alam kung sino and kung sino yung gagawa and puputok for that night. So,
Kahit ako, di ko alam yung starting lineup namin. Kaya mahirap hulaan talaga. Hindi. Babatiin ko pala yung newest billionaire dito, si Chairman Dickie Bachman. No? Pinakabagong bilyonaryo sa Pilipinas.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations, gentlemen.
thank you
Thank
po.
you.
Thank you po, everyone.